Welcome to our channel. Ali Bank Savings Buckets feature helps you organize your savings goals within a single savings account. Follow these step-by-step instructions to set up and manage your buckets. Step 1. Log into your Ali Bank online banking account at www.ally.com using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to your Ally Savings account from your account dashboard. Step 3. Look for the Savings Buckets or Buckets option within your savings account interface. Step 4. Click Create a Bucket to start organizing your savings into different goal categories. Step 5. Name your first bucket according to your savings goal, such as emergency fund, vacation, new car, or home down payment. Step 6. Set a target amount for this bucket if you have a specific savings goal in mind. Step 7. Allocate funds to your new bucket by transferring money from your main savings balance into the bucket. Step 8. Create additional buckets for other savings goals by repeating the process, with up to 30 buckets allowed per account. Step 9. Transfer money between buckets anytime to reallocate your savings as your priorities change. Step 10. Set up automatic savings by scheduling recurring transfers from your checking account with the ability to split deposits across multiple buckets. Step 11. Track your progress toward each goal by viewing your bucket balances and completion percentages in your account dashboard. Step 12. The entire savings account balance earns the same interest rate regardless of how it's divided among buckets, so you don't lose any earning potential. Step 13. Withdraw money from specific buckets when you're ready to use those funds for their intended purpose. Step 14. Edit bucket names, targets, or delete buckets as your financial situation and goals evolve over time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.